welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back. I have missed filming and I could not be any happier to be back. I have a whole lot of stuff that I want to catch you guys up on, but yeah, there's been a crazy amount of stuff going on around me that has prevented me from being able to sit my butt down and film for you guys. So I don't know what is in plan today, but we're just gonna wing it together, and maybe I'm just gonna do a casual get ready with me kind of video that shows you how to take day makeup into night makeup, because a lot of the times after work I am in a big rush to get home and change to go out again. So sometimes I don't wash my whole face. I just add to my day makeup so that I could be ready to go in less than, let's say, 20 minutes. So right now I'm just going to be going into my Morphe palette in 35K. There's a few eyeshadows that have popped out, so they're making some noise here. But anyways, I hadn't even started, and 20 seconds into the video, after I created my intro for you guys, I realized that I cannot find my fluffy brush. So 20 minutes later, here we are, trying to start this damn video. And now we are picking up our Morphe palette and grabbing this color. I don't know how to describe this color. Would it be a brown plum gray look? I was not made to name color names. So we're just going to dig in with our fluffy brush, and we're just going to go into the crease lightly. And believe it or not, as bougie as some people think I am, I'm really not. I picked up this fluffy brush, and it's honestly one of the best brushes I have from the dollar store. Kill me now. But I'm not ashamed, because you know what? Sometimes you don't have to spend $1 million on something for it to be good. So I was just browsing in there to pick up some random things I needed for a project, and I came across this. So I was like, hey, I'm just going to give it a try. And I have nothing to lose, but it is truly one of my best brushes. So I'm just going to be darkening that up a little bit, just going back and forth on both sides. I do want to do a little chit chat because I want to update you guys on a few things that have been going on. So I know I made a promise to you guys, and I was like, I'm coming back. I'm going to do some filming. By the way, I'm just going to go in with this black shade over here and grabbing a more precise brush and digging in to my crease. See, already it looks very dramatic. So anyways, as I was saying, it has been a while since I posted my video. What ended up happening was, last month, as I was getting into the routine of my things, a friend of mine and I, one of my close friends, we decided to go away for her birthday, probably 2-3 days before it actually happened. And we decided to go to Mexico for pretty much a day and a half or 2 days. Yeah, we arrived there on Friday 6 o'clock, and we came back Sunday afternoon. So Friday night we were there, all Saturday, and then Sunday we checked out. So I never imagined going to Mexico for only 2 days, but we did it, and it was a very, very difficult yet really fun getaway. And sorry if I'm not explaining, you guys can follow what I'm doing. It's not supposed to be a tutorial, it's more of a chit chat. So we went there, and then I came back. What happened next? So we came back, and as some of you guys saw on my Instagram, if you follow me, you will have noticed that I really, really burnt myself. So when we were there, we didn't really get to spend any time in the sun because it was such a short trip. We barely honestly had any daylight there. And the Saturday, the only day that we were actually there, it was so rainy and stormy. So we pretty much got 9 minutes of sun on the only day we had in Mexico. It was sunny for that short amount of time, and then all of a sudden rain came, and then it was the craziest rainstorm ever, worse than Vancouver. The next morning we were supposed to check out at 2 p.m. because we had a flight at about 5:30 or 6 in the evening. We ended up getting up really early that morning. We did all of our packing and then we ended up going and sun tanning. We had 2 hours and the sun was sizzling hot. It was perfect. So we're like, you know what? We have such a short amount of time in the sun anyway, so let's just skip the sunscreen. There's no way we're gonna get sunburned. So I casually just sat in the sun, didn't put any sort of sunscreen, went in the water, came out, in and out, and then I would check once in a while to see what the tan is like, and I was like, okay, I'm getting a faint line. So 2 hours later, we got our stuff, we went and cleaned up and grabbed our bags and headed to the airport. And lo and behold, every 5 minutes that passed by, I would get closer to looking like a lobster. It was honestly one of the worst burns I had ever had. I would have never expected for me to burn in that sun in such a short amount of time because I usually have a pretty thick skin. I don't get burnt that easily and I just turn brown unless I'm in the sun for hours and hours, which wasn't the case here. So I came back and my skin was just so messed up. All I had to do was just stay away from everybody, put no makeup on, and just lotionize my skin every, honestly, hour because I was so worried that I'm gonna peel. So anyways, long story short, that delayed me so much because I had to wait for my skin to heal before I could come on camera. I'm just going to grab some shimmer by Dior, the Luminizer, and I'm just grabbing my ring finger and placing that on my inner tear dot. I already had some from early in the morning, but I'm just gonna brighten that up a little bit. So today I'm going to try lashes by FAIRYLASHES. The box is like this, and I picked up mine at Elle Boutique Salon in Vancouver, and the eyelashes look like this. Hold on. So pretty. They look very fluttery and natural, which is just the way I like them. Now I'm going to be gluing my lashes. I am using this Duo lash glue and it is in black, so it's a little bit easier to hide. I grab a Q-tip and I pick up the glue and I just run it by the lash line. So we just have to wait for that to become a little bit tacky. I did not understand how this works for the longest time. I was like, what do you mean you have to wait for the glue to dry for it to become tacky? When you put on the glue on the lash itself, when you touch it, it's not sticky at all. It's very watery actually, but once you wait a minute or two and just kind of like blow on it, it becomes, when you touch it, it becomes a little bit more sticky, as if it's dried glue that is still sticky. I don't know. Oh my god. Calm down. As I'm waiting, the next obstacle that happened, which I was gonna start my filming this week again, but my account, not to get into details, but my account got taken away from me for a whole week, and that put me behind so much on everything. Oh, again, I had to deal with that for a whole week, and just today I got it back and I'm so thrilled. I am so excited, and it's just kind of made me realize how much I love doing what I am doing. It kind of made me realize what oh my god, this is drying. Hold on 1 second. I am not a pro at putting lashes on, so I can't teach you guys something I don't know. This is probably my second time in my life putting lashes on, so I hope it doesn't mess up, but I'm just gonna try to just stick it on there. Oh my god. If I do this, I'm actually very proud. Oh my god, this is not sticking. Did I wait too long? Yep, I didn't do this very... No, but no joke, I didn't put enough. I need to redo it. As I was saying, I have realized in this time how much I miss being online and having that interaction with you guys. So once I got my account back today, it was a huge motivation for me because it's almost like when you lose something, you realize what it means to you. That kind of happened with my social media. That just gave me that extra boost for me to kind of get my motivation back and get into things, because now I know what it means to me, and I'm just very motivated today. So I thought, what better day to just get my YouTube started once again. But I'm only human. I make mistakes. I'm still figuring my way out. So bear with me. Okay, here we go, second time. I hope this works because honestly... This is pretty cool. It just feels like there's something extra on my eyes, but what the heck is going on? But honestly, it actually feels really comfortable. I'm just being a little sissy, but I've also never had lashes on except that one time. But yeah, actually these are really light. I don't mind them at all. I just don't think I did a good job putting them on, but that's what happens when you give lashes to somebody who's a newbie. So one of my goals should be to learn how to put lashes on. Meanwhile, while this is drying, I'm going to take my Revlon eyeliner, and this looks like I have 3 fingers. I'm just going to be grabbing my eyeliner and trying to kind of cover up the parts that I messed up. Like in this corner, I put it way too high. So I'm just going to be covering my mistakes and kind of bringing the line down so that it looks like it's more seamless, you know? And then I'm just going to be dragging this out to make a winged eyeliner. Usually I never do this with one hand, but today my hands are pretty occupied, so bear with me. Dramatic. I do need to get into the habit of wearing them though, because so many people do and I feel like an outsider. This is so hard. I'm so not doing this right. Wow. I wish you guys could actually see this. I'm dying. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is actually too funny. Wow. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this madness here? I wish you guys could actually. This is hilarious. I put it so incorrectly that it looks like, maybe you guys can't tell, but this is so high. Hold on. Okay. See, from the side it looks so natural and fluttery. I love it. Yes, very exciting. Ooh. Now I need to go on a date. Okay, now I'm gonna fix, the other side, which I'm just gonna connect this line over here to the corner. See, the lashes itself are so beautiful. I just don't know how to put them on. And I usually don't like admitting stuff like that, but it is the truth. What am I supposed to say? I can't lie. You guys can see. But what I'm happy about is that it doesn't show on camera how bad it is. So I am in luck. I am going to shimmer our face with my Dior Luminizer. By the way, I did this whole makeup look with just looking into a screen. You guys should be proud. I don't even have a mirror in front of me. This is the closest mirror I can have. Okay, you guys, just an update. It's been, what, a couple minutes since I put these lashes on. At the first second when I put it on, only because I'm such a newbie when it comes to using lashes, it felt heavy because obviously it's a foreign object on your eyelashes. But now that time is going by, I feel like it's very, very comfortable, and they almost don't feel like anything on your eyelashes. I've actually, the only one that I have tried, it kind of felt like it was hanging off of me. So this one definitely didn't make you feel like that. It's just very lightweight and just, yeah, it looks very fluttery. I love how it turned out, except for my method of putting it on. But from far, you guys can't tell. I am grabbing this eyeliner, or this lip liner. It is by Prestige Makeup. And it is in 207 Love. Not to mention, this whole time, these couple of weeks, I've been very unmotivated, demotivated. I don't know what you guys, I don't know what to call it right now. But my motivation level has been very low because I have been snowed in and I haven't been able to get out, get some fresh air. And if anyone knows me, I need to get out of the house and kind of, you know, change up the air in my system. And so I feel very trapped. Finally, actually, well, I'm not really complaining anymore because the snow has stopped, even though it is supposed to come back this week yet again. I'm not looking forward. I just hate snow. There's no other way to say it. I am grabbing my Revlon Ultra Matte Lip in... Oh yeah, we had this same trouble last time. I will list it below. And I'm just grabbing my finger and just tapping it on that. Because when you matte this out, like I'm just tapping it on here and grabbing whatever the excess is. Kind of just giving it a really, really light tint to my lips. You see, it becomes a really beautiful Barbie pink on top of the lip liner that we put. You improvise when you don't have it. Yeah, because I was thinking of going and buying a new one, but I was like, I don't feel like it today, so let's just play scientist for once. So I'm going in with my palette from Morphe, the same one that we used earlier, and just grabbing a dark brown shade and kind of just going over my eyebrows. And then I am going to finish off this look with my NYX blush in Pink Fetish. And just gonna brush that over. Just gonna give it a little pink flush. And that, my dearies, is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I am so excited to be back. I am very motivated this very moment. Hopefully it stays like that. But I could not be more excited, and I have missed doing videos for you guys. So I look forward to making more regular videos. Call me out when I don't post videos. Again, I can't promise that I'm going to be perfect. There's going to be times that I miss, and there's going to be times that I fall behind, but I am going to make a conscious you know, effort to be on top of things and remember the passion that I have for putting myself out there and kind of sharing my life with you guys.